Good Monday morning, my friends. Find your ice cream cone paper. We have to circle our correct number of ice cream cones we have in each square. So look at the top one. We have the numbers 1, 2, and 3. How many ice cream cones do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2. Can you find your number 2 and circle it? Number 2 should be in the middle. Very good. Go to the next one. We have numbers 1, 2, and 3. How many ice cream cones do we have? Just 1. Circle our number 1. Go to the third one. Let's count our ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3. Where's number 3 at? It's our last number this time, isn't it? Next box again. We only have 1 ice cream cone again, don't we? Circle number 1. Now we're adding number 4. So now we have numbers 2, 3, and 4. Count our ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 4? It's the last number. Let's circle it. And our last set of ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3. Find number 3 and circle it. Good job. Now can you find your ice cream cones? We have to finish our ice cream cone pattern. Gonna need your scissors. Cut right across that bottom and cut your ice cream cone pieces off. So cut straight across that bottom black line. So we've got a strip of ice cream cones or popsicles. Some of them are popsicles, aren't they? Or popsicles with ice cream in them. Let's look at our first pattern. We have an ice cream cone with sprinkles, an ice cream cone with 3 scoops, an ice cream cone with sprinkles, an ice cream cone with 3 scoops, an ice cream cone with sprinkles. What ice cream cone comes next? Do we have one of those? What should it be? It should be an ice cream cone with 3 scoops. Oh, but when we look at our pieces at the bottom, we have to look carefully because we have a plain ice cream cone and we have an ice cream cone that has some stripes on it. Which ice cream cone do we want with 3 scoops? We want the plain ice cream cone. So make sure you cut out the plain ice cream cone with 3 scoops. They tried to trick us there, didn't they? Hopefully you're using your detective glasses. So cut out that plain ice cream cone with 3 scoops. And you're gonna glue it so our pattern makes sense, is correct. So we should have ice cream cone with sprinkles, plain ice cream cone with 3 scoops, ice cream cone with sprinkles, plain ice cream cone with 3 scoops, ice cream cone with sprinkles, and plain ice cream cone with 3 scoops. Let's look at the second one. Oh, here's our tricky one. We have 3 ice scoops with crosses on the cone, 3 scoops with crosses on the cone, 1 scoop, 1 scoop, 3 scoops with crosses on the cone. What comes next in our pattern? Remember, we had 3 scoops, 3 scoops, 1 scoop, 1 scoop, 3 scoops. What should go there? I hope you said it's our 3 scooped ice cream cone. We're doing a little bit different pattern than we're used to. But it should be our 3 scooped ice cream cone with the crosses on it. Cut that one out and glue it on. Let's go down to the next one, the third one. We have popsicle, popsicle, ice cream cone, popsicle, popsicle. What should come next? the ice cream cone. That's one of our ice cream cones with sprinkles. So we've got to get our ice cream cone with sprinkles, and we have one of those left. So let's cut it out and put some glue on there and stick our ice cream cone with sprinkles. Now hopefully we have the right piece left because we've only got one left, don't we? We have 3 scoop ice cream cone, popsicle, popsicle, 3 scoop ice cream cone, popsicle. It's a popsicle. It's an ABB pattern this time instead of our ABAB pattern that we're used to doing. So cut out your ice cream or your popsicle. I bet this popsicle has ice cream in it. Or maybe it's a fudge bar. Do you like fudge bars? There should be your last one on there. All right, my friends, it's time to get your newspapers. It's our last 2 newspapers of the year. And they all are talking about on this one, with all the kids, they're all talking about high fives for summer safety. And we have to make sure we do things safe in the summertime because we don't want to get hurt or end up in the hospital or break an arm or something else that's not so good. It says, summer is almost here. Do you want to have fun and stay safe? Then turn and give your friends a high five. I know we can't see our friends, but can you give everybody a high five on the computer? I'll give you all high fives. Maybe you can high five mom, or if you got a brother or sister who's watching, you can give them a high five. Open up your newspaper. 5 ways to stay summer safe. Look at the red box. Protect your skin from sunburns. Put on sunscreen. You can do that. Give a high five. Look at the green box. Never swim alone. That means don't ever go swimming by yourself. Always swim with a grown-up. You can do that. Give a high five. And we never want to swim without a big person just in case something happens. You could get a cramp. Maybe you get too tired and you can't get back to shore. And it's always a good idea to have a floaty or a life jacket on so you stay a little bit safer, because I know when you like to swim, and I know you can get very tired from being in the water too long. Keep cool in the hot sun. Drink a lot of water. You can do that. Give a high five. Look down at the orange box. Protect your head. Wear a helmet. You can do that. Give a high five. Do all of you wear your bike helmet when you're riding your bikes? Stay away from fire. Don't get close to grills. You can do that. Give a high five. And we have to be careful when moms and dads are cooking outside. The grill has fire, or some grills use gas. You have to be careful that you don't touch it. It's just like touching the stove or the oven. It's very, very hot. You have to be careful so you don't get a burn, or it tips and flames come back towards you. So make sure you're staying far away from the grill when mom and dad are cooking. This boy puts on sunscreen. What else did he put on to stay safe in the sun? He's got his sunscreen on his skin. How else is he staying safe at the beach? Looks like the beach in the background. He's got a hat on his head, sunglasses on his eyes, and he's wearing a shirt when he's not in the water. And some of you maybe even wear a special swim shirt when you're in the pool or the pond or at the beach to help protect your skin a little more. And all those things are fine. We want you to stay safe and have a great summer. Remember those rules. Stay safe this summer so I can see you all again next fall. We have one more newspaper. You're going to need your scissors. You need your scissors, and you're going to cut across the big black line. So cut straight across that big black line there. Very careful. Looks like this newspaper is about animals. Baby animals. Now, do you remember you have to open up your book, and then we have to slide it in. If mom and dad have a stapler and you want them to staple it, they can put a staple in it for you like Mrs. Bosselman does. But let's look at our book. It says, take care of baby. We have a mommy giraffe. You see the little baby one? The baby's kind of blended in there. It's hard to see her. She's all snuggled into her mama. Open up to your first page. The fox plays with its kit. So a baby fox is called a kit. The lion cleans its cub. The baby lion's getting a bath. Is that how mom gave you a bath? Did she lick your head? Make you all clean? I don't think that sounds like very fun, huh? The bird feeds its chicks. There the bird is bringing worms. The chicks all have their mouths open so the mama bird can drop the worms down in the chicks' mouths. The hippo swims with its calf. So a baby hippopotamus is called a calf. Do you think the hippo knows how to swim as soon as he's born? I think so. But he's not swimming by himself. He's swimming with his adult mommy, isn't he? So he's not all alone. Turn the page. The koala carries its joey. So a baby koala bear is called a joey. Do you like your mom to give you a piggyback ride all the time? Do you get to have piggyback rides sometimes? The orangutan hugs its infant. Oh, the mommy orangutan is giving her baby. He looks all cozy, giving him a big hug. How do your grown-ups take care of you? We're supposed to put a check mark in the box if your mom or dad help do those things to help take care of you. Do they give you a bath? I think so. I think they at least help you get started, make sure you don't fall. Do they make you food to eat? Yes. Do they like to cuddle with you? Yes. Do they carry you sometimes? You get to ride on dad's shoulders sometimes or have a piggyback ride, or they pick you up if you've fallen asleep and carry you upstairs to go to bed. Do they like to play with you? Yes. Do they like to swim with you? Yes. I think we have great parents, and I'm pretty sure all of your moms and dads like to do all of those things with you. Have a safe summer, my friends.